Now, in this question, we have to find the probability for z values between -1 and 2.115. Now, to find these probabilities, it is always better if we draw the normal distribution graph. So first, let's draw this graph. We know that the center point represents 0. So -1 will be on the left-hand side and 2.115 will be on the right-hand side. So this will be somewhere over here. Now we have to find the probability between these two points. So we have to find this area. Now to find this area, what we can do is we can find the area to the right of 2.115 and to the left of -1, and then subtract the total area from 1 to get the area between these two values. So let's first find the probability at z value -1. Now, as we know that it is a symmetrical graph and the probability for z value positive and negative, they are the same. So at z value 1.0, the probability is 0.8413. Now, the table, the normal distribution table does not give the probabilities below 0.5. So as this probability is 0.8413, just by looking at the graph, we know that the left-hand side to 0 is 0.5. So this area, which is to the left of -1, must be less than 0.5. So from the table, we got 0.8413. And as we know that this area, towards the left of -1 should have an area less than 0.5. So we can say that this area will be 1 minus 0.8413. So once we have this area, now we can find the area to the left of 2.115. So now first finding the point 2.1. So this is 2.1. 2.11 is over here. So 2.11 is 0.9826. So this is 0.9826. And as it said 2.115. So now once we have 2.11, this part of the table will give us the value to the third decimal place. So over here, this is 5 over here, matching it up with 2.11. We have a 2 over here. So we'll add 2 to the total value. So we'll add 2 over here and the total probability will become, so this will become 8, 2, this is 8, 9, 0.9828. Now towards the right hand side of 2.115, we can just see that this area must be less than 0.5. So this will be 1 minus 0.9828. Now let's say this is equals to x and this is equals to y. This area was x and this area was y. To get the area in between, we can just subtract the sum of x and y from 1. And this will give us the probability between -1 and 2.115.